In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export Asana projects to Excel efficiently and effectively. If you're looking to manage your tasks, analyze project data, or simply prefer the organizational potential of Excel, this tutorial is tailor-made for you. Let's dive right in and get started. First things first, you need to log into your Asana account. Once you're in, navigate to the project you want to export. Remember, this method allows you to export only one project at a time, so make sure you've selected the right project to work on. Take a moment to double-check your selection and ensure you're looking at all the data you want to transfer over to Excel. Now, let's perform the export. At the top of your project view, you'll notice a small downward-pointing arrow next to the project name. This is your Project Actions drop-down arrow, and it's your gateway to several key functions. Click on this arrow to reveal the drop-down menu. As you hover, look for the option labeled Export Print. In some instances, you might find it under Export or Sync Export, depending on the version or customization of your Asana interface. Once you've located it, click on the option that says CSV. This selection is crucial because CSV, or comma-separated values, is the file format that Excel reads smoothly, ensuring your project details transfer over without a hitch. With that step complete, what happens next is that your web browser will initiate a download. You should find a new file in your computer's Downloads folder, named after your project with a .csv extension. This file is now ready to be opened in Excel. Opening the file is quite straightforward. Microsoft Excel recognizes CSV files by default, so the quickest method to access your data is simply to navigate to your Downloads folder and double-click on the project name, CSV file you just downloaded. By double-clicking, Excel will automatically open, displaying your Asana project in all its spreadsheet glory. Take a moment to appreciate how your tasks, descriptions, and deadlines are now perfectly laid out in Excel's organized structure. And there you have it. You've successfully exported your Asana project to Excel, unlocking a whole new level of data management possibilities. Whether you wish to perform complex analyses, create detailed charts, or just keep a backup of your tasks, Excel offers a wide range of functionalities to enhance your project management workflows. Remember, this process can be repeated for each project you wish to export, keeping your data accessible and flexible. Thanks for joining me today, and happy organizing!